Today we will talk about what's air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as the presence of toxic chemical or compounds in the air at levels that poses a high health risk. There are many causes of air pollution. We will start off by burning of fossil fuel. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuel like coals, petroleum, and other factory combustibles. Pollution emitting from the vehicle including trucks, cars, trains, airplanes, causing immense amount of pollution. Second of all, agricultural activities. Ammonia is a very common product from agriculture related activities and is one of the most hazardous gas in the atmosphere. Next, we have exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industries release large amount of carbon monoxide into the air, nearby depleting the quality of air. They can be found on every corner of the earth. Last but not least, we have mining operation. Mining is a process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipment. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive pollution.
All of these have devastating effects. Firstly, we have respiratory and heart problems. Air pollution is known to create several respiratory and heart conditions along with cancer. Several millions are known to have died out because of the effects. Secondly, we have global warming. With increased temperatures worldwide, increase in sea levels and melting of ice from colder regions and icebergs, displacement and loss of habitat have already signaled an impending disaster. Lastly, we have acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuels. And when it rains, the water droplets combines with these air pollutants, becomes acidic and then falls on the ground in the form of acid rain. To take a hold of this situation, we need to consider the following solutions. Firstly, we have use of public mode of transportation. We should encourage people to use more public modes of transportation to reduce pollution, such as use of bicycles and walking. Secondly, we should conserve energy. We should switch off fans and lights when you are going out. Large amount of fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity. We can save the environment from degradation by reducing the amount of fossil fuels to be burned. Lastly, we should emphasize on clean energy resources. Clean energy resources like solar, wind and geothermal are on the high these days. Governments of various countries have been providing grants to consumers who are interested in installing solar panels for their homes. This will go a long way to curb air pollution.